Okay guys, there's a hurricane outside. Oh my gosh. Hurricanes in California, this isn't good. Okay, this is not clickbait at all. Look at this. Just, thank goodness it's like slowing down a little bit. It's like, let me just open this up. Now it's like calming down, but it was still like, look at the pool, it's all waves and stuff. Just a second ago, the wind.
The sky over there. You see it's white over there. We're over this big cloud.
It's a hurricane. This is not clickbait at all. Might be stuck in a hurricane. 1 like equals 1 prayer for us, because if I don't have a video up for tomorrow, just because I'm dead. Yeah. But if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because I make daily videos, unless I die right now.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
Alright guys, so now it's for some reason the hurricane passed. And now it's sunny outside. Great, so now we can go outside.